Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in winter chill. It's very light blue. I really like it. You do have the chrome accenting up front with the Dodge logo. You do also have halogen headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires. They still look good. They are Nokian brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, we do have the SXT badging, Dodge and Journey. You have your backup camera back here right there. And then as long as it's unlocked, you just gotta pull that. Opens right up. Lots of room back here as well. It looks great. You can lift this up and you got some additional storage just underneath there. You do got like a little emergency flashlight back here and some speakers as well. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We do have 2 presses to activate our remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas. Now, if it is locked, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so you just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock for you, or you got the button there if you did want to use that. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. A little bit of chrome accenting on your handle. Handle here with the leather to put your arm on. You got some storage down here, the water bottle holder, and a very nice interior as well. Very soft and comfortable. Good for long car trips. You do also have your controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights if you press them in. And you do also have your in-cabin light control there. And right here we have the controls over our windshield wipers, as well as our turning signals and high beams. And then down here we do have our seat control, so backward and forward, as well as the lumbar support there. Okay, we got our keys in here. All we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our vehicle speed right in the center, but we can change that around to we have our fuel economy and trip info, as well as our tire KPA, our vehicle info, messages. You can turn the menu off and you can see all of that stuff right in there as well. It also tells us the direction we're facing, our kilometers, the gear we're in, and the temperature outside. Now that is controlled from here with your voice recognition, your call-out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. We do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here, so we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as our player here if we have one hooked up through our disc, aux cord, USB. We have our other aux cord plugins, as well as our Bluetooth. Then you have your heated seat control here in your outlet. You have your climate control, and it's a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your phone options here and your more options for your rear entertainment. Okay, we have our hazard lights here, AC, circulation, front rear defrost, and you also have your traction control there. Volume up and down with the on and off for the audio. You have your heat up and down. You also have the controls over your auto and your off for your climate control, and then your browser and tuner over here. CD player here, SD card plug in there. Then down here you do have a plug-in and some storage. Cup holders here, and you do also have your gear shift. When you are in reverse, you do have that backup camera right there, always useful, keeping you nice and safe. And in the armrest here, it is leather, very comfortable. And you have some storage in here with an aux cord plug-in as well as a USB. You got lots of room in there. And then right over here, we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top, you do have a sunglass holder right there. And you also have some lights there. Well, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. You have the controls over your windows here, handle here, and our armrest. You also have some storage down here. Very nice interior as well. Very soft, same material as the front. You can pull this down. You got an armrest and some cup holders if you didn't need that person in the middle. You can also fold this down. You do have your screen there with your remote, keeping the kids back here, whoever's back here, nice and entertained. You do have some plugins there as well, an AV plug-in. And then you can also lift that up. You got some storage underneath there. And then you can also fold this forward and you got additional storage just there. And there's your 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2013 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.